Hello fellow DJs and welcome back to the channel. So today we're settling the debate once and for all, the Prox Polaris stands versus the Gravity GLS431W stands. I've been using both for a few weeks now to hold my movers and my spider washes by both lighting, and I'm gonna break it down, everything you need to know, the price, weight, height, build quality, and which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash money. Stick around because the results might actually surprise you. So if you're new here, I review DJ gear so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong equipment. And by the way, the majority of this stuff I do buy with my own money. So today's comparison is between two of the most popular flat base stands on the market. Let's dive in. We're gonna start with the Prox Polaris stands. These come in really nice padded bags that are 24 by 24 inches. One thing I love is these rubber feet on the bottom of the bag. It prevents wear when you're going to store them vertically. The base plate has rounded corners, not a perfect square, and it weighs about 30.5 pounds. The poles come in a 44-inch bag with a shoulder strap for very convenient transport. Now, the Gravity stands. Immediately you feel the premium quality on these things. The bags are 23 by 23 inches. Slightly smaller, but incredibly well built also. The base plate is a perfect square design and weighs 33.2 pounds, already heavier, which means more stability. The pole bag is 55 inches because the poles get much longer and higher. The Prox stands feel solid, don't get me wrong. Steel construction, powder coated finish. The poles adjust from 55 to 72 inches, which is a decent range for speaker or light stand application. Of course, they've got the standard safety locking pin system, and at 9.8 pounds for two poles, they're definitely lighter to carry. But here's where the Gravity stands kind of start to pull ahead. These things are really built like tanks. All solid steel construction with zero plastic components that could break. The base plate has these beautiful thick rubber pads that are great for protecting your venue floors. And here's one of the main reasons I bought the Gravity stands. They use a female thread system on top to make connecting your fixtures super easy. The poles extend from 4.65 feet all the way up to 8 feet. That is a massive difference over the Prox. Prox base plate 30.5, poles 9.8 pounds. Gravity base plate 33.2, poles 19.9 pounds. Yes, Gravity is heavier, but that extra weight translates directly to stability. When you're putting expensive speakers or lighting on these stands, you want a rock solid foundation. Now the real difference shows in the maximum height. The Prox maxes out at 72 inches or 6 feet. Fine for most speaker applications, but the Gravity stand, 8 feet. That's 96 inches of height. This opens up so many more possibilities. Projector mounting for monograms, TV mounting with their optional brackets, moving head lighting that clears everyone's heads, speaker placement that works in large venues. Now, I've personally put lightweight speakers like the Everse 8 or heavier speakers like the ETX from EV on these. I've put moving head fixtures on these. I've put wash lights on these. The Prox has a little bit of wobble, especially at the higher extensions, but it's not terrible, not that noticeable. The Gravity stand, super solid, hardly any wobble whatsoever. Now let's talk about the money. The Prox Polaris stands at around $370 for a 2-stand set with the bags. Whereas the Gravity stands, the GLS431W, the W stands for white, are around $775 for a 2-stand set with the bags, which are sold separately. That is a significant price difference. The Gravity stands basically cost 2 times more. So the question is, are they worth it? Here's where I give you the honest truth. If you're only doing small to medium venues, primarily using them for speakers under, let's say, 35, 40 pounds, and you're on a tight budget or just starting out, the Prox stands are gonna serve you well. They're functional, portable, and they get the job done. But if you're doing larger venues regularly, want maximum versatility for projectors, TVs, heavy speakers, lighting, or building a premium brand image, or you're planning on using these for many years to come, I would go with the Gravity stands. They're absolutely worth the investment. After weeks of using both, here's my final verdict. The Gravity GLS431W stands to win this comparison. Why? The build quality, simply superior in every way. The height range, 8 feet versus 6 feet. That's a game changer. That extra weight makes all the difference. And versatility. It can handle any application you throw at them. Plus the professional features. It's got that female threading on top, premium hardware, long-term value. These are gonna last decades. Yep, they cost more up front, but when you actually break it down over the years of use you're gonna get from them, they're the better value. The female thread system alone on top is gonna save me a bunch of time versus using these adapter things on top of every single pole. Plus, these are a pain to carry around. I never know what bag to put them in. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in real world applications. So that's my honest comparison of these two popular stands. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and gig logs. Also, drop a comment below and tell me which stands you are using and what your experience has been. Links to both products will be in the description below, of course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.